Ever imagine making poached eggs, soft-boiled eggs, and hard-boiled eggs without boiling water and in just minutes? Today, I'm showing you a simple air fryer egg hack on how to get your eggs runny, jammy, or fully cooked every single time. Welcome to African Village Flavor. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. Before we begin, here's a very important step. Using a pin or a toothpick, gently poke a tiny hole at one end of the egg. This releases pressure while cooking and prevents the egg from bursting inside the air fryer. I'm writing 5 minutes directly on the egg so you can follow along with ease. We place it in the air fryer, set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, and cook it for 5 minutes. That's it. No water, no pot, no mess. Once the timer runs out, carefully remove the egg and place it straight into ice-cold water. This stops the cooking process and also makes peeling much easier. Did you know? Egg yolks begin to set at around 65 degrees Celsius, while egg whites need a higher temperature? That's why timing is everything when cooking eggs. Now let's cut it open. Look at that beautiful, runny yolky. Soft, creamy, and perfect. This type of egg goes so well with toast or rice. It's a mouth-watering combination. If this hack is already helping you, pause for 1 second, tap the like button, leave a comment telling me which egg you love most, and subscribe for more simple kitchen hacks like this. Alright, let's continue. Next up, we're going for a soft-boiled egg. Same process, I write 7 min on the egg, same air fryer. Same temperature, 180 degrees Celsius. We cook this one for 7 minutes. Once the timer runs out, remove your egg and place it straight into ice-cold water again. Peel it gently. I prefer using a spoon to crack the shell, but there are so many different ways of doing this. So just use the method that you're comfortable with, as long as we get our egg right. Now slice it open. You can see the yolk is soft and creamy, but not fully runny. This is the perfect ramen egg texture. Did you know? Cooling eggs in ice water doesn't just stop cooking. It also helps the shell separate from the membrane, making peeling much easier. Now for the final egg, the hard-boiled egg version, we mark it 10 minutes, place it into the air fryer. Same temperature, 180 degrees Celsius, and cook this for 10 minutes. Once the timer runs out after cooking, carefully remove the egg and place it straight into ice-cold water. When peeling, don't start from the middle. Start from the bottom of the egg where there's a small air pocket. That's the easiest point to begin. Gently crack the shell, then peel slowly, letting the water slip between the shell and the egg. This helps remove the shell cleanly without tearing the egg white. If the shell feels stubborn, don't rush. Just dip it back into the cold water and continue peeling. Now let's slice it open. Look at that, a perfectly cooked yolk. This is exactly what a proper, hard-boiled egg should look like. Simple and ready for salads, sandwiches, or meal prep. Now, let's plate all 3 eggs together. On one plate, you can clearly see the difference. 5 minutes, runny, poached style. 7 minutes, soft-boiled and creamy. 10 minutes, fully cooked, hard-boiled. Same air fryer, same temperature. Just different timing. If you enjoyed this air fryer egg hack, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Let me know in the comments, which egg would you eat right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.